Hi everyone, welcome to the Codersarts YouTube channel and welcome to the new demo. So in today's video, I'll be guiding you through our new project, which is an HRM platform. So basically, we have designed this project for small to mid-scale companies who are struggling to manage their employee data, basically their employees' attendance, leave record, and other in general data that we are storing in the company, and also who can't afford to pay $400 to $500 monthly bill just for managing these records. So if you fall in any of these criteria, this specific video is for you. So without a further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you have any project idea in your mind or you want to build a general MVP of any product, Codersarts it's with you. So you can mail us on contact@codersarts.com. We have a highly technical team who can help you out in building these kind of product and launch it into the market. So if you want to build a similar kind of product or in general any tech product in your mind, feel free to mail us. So now let's get started. So let me give you the small introduction. So we have built a modern web-based HRM solution for small to mid-sized companies, enabling employees to log attendance with location and selfie feature. Basically, if a person is working from somewhere else, they can just log in. You can just detect from where they have logged in with the location and selfie features and help HR manage employees' leave and attendance efficiently. Now let's talk about the problem statement that we are trying to cater. So manual attendance, like if you have a small company or small to mid-scale company, then who can't afford a $500 monthly bill of managing all of these things. So they mostly do this attendance on all of these things manual, or they have this biometric system where managing the thing is not that easy. So they have to tackle with the manual attendance tracking, which is time consuming and error prone. Lack of transparency between HRs and employees, difficulty in monitoring remote and field employees' presence. Like you don't know like where your employee is working from and all other things. If the employee is working remotely, insufficient leave management and employees' data handling. So for solution, our product does all of these things. Smart digital attendance with location and self-verification. Smart dashboard for admin and employees. So basically we have a separate dashboard for admins where admin can manage a lot of things, and we have a separate platform for employees where they can see a lot of information like how much leaves they have left, how much like what's the attendance record and all of these things. I will show you all of these things in the demo section. Then we have centralized employee database management. Basically all of your data is being stored in a centralized place. Like you're not dependent on any third-party tool for managing all of your employee record. To the point feature, not too much jargon. So there is one disadvantage of the external tool that we use. Like all of those tools have a lot of features, and it's basically very difficult for us to manage which tool is used for us and which is not. And we end up paying too much for all of the features which are not that much used by us. So in our app, we have to the point feature, only that feature we have implemented, which is mostly used by the HRs. Then we have custom feature development specific to your needs. So if you have your own product, then you can also request for, or you can also develop a specific feature which you need. Like you're not dependent on any third party tool. Now you have your own in-house product. So you can also develop any new feature which is not available in any of the tool. So we have got all of these flexibility when we are using our own platform. Now, as I mentioned, we have two separate dashboard, one for admin and one for employees. So in the employee section, we have a section for viewing the attendance, view attendance record with photo and location. Like employee can view the selfie of the employee which they have taken and the location from where they have time in or check in. And also when they check out, they also have to click their selfie and give the location permission so that they are able to properly log out. So at the time of check-in and check-out, we are collecting location and selfie at both times. Then we have add, view or manage employees. Like you can add employees, view the employees, and also manage them if they leave the organization. Approve or reject leave request. Track exited employees. So whichever employees have left your organization, then you can also keep a track of when they have left, what's the reason, and you can also keep the store of their information for the longer period of time. Access performance and attendance analytics. Then export report for HR review. So this is the admin feature. Now we also have certain employees feature. So marked attendance with selfie and live GPS location. So employee have this feature to mark their attendance. Basically, when they are checking in, they have to give permission for their location and their camera access so that we can just click the image, then view attendance history. They can view all of their attendance which they have given, apply for leave easily. They can just select the time, give the reason, and also give the duration, like how long they want to take the leave. Then track leave status and approval. If the leaves is in pending state, then it will be shown in the pending. If the HR has approved it, then it will be shown approved. So they can keep a track of which leaves are approved, which are pending, and all of these things. View total leave taken and available leaves. So on the dashboard, they have a separate section where total leaves are shown and how many leaves they have taken and how many leaves are left. So all of these things are shown on the employees dashboard. Now let's talk about the tech stack. Then we will directly jump onto the demo section where I will be showcasing you the actual product. So in the tech stack, we are, as a framework, overall framework, we are using Next.js and Tailwind for the styling. And for the database, we are using PostgreSQL. And for storing images and employees information, like employees record of their mark sheet and all other things, we are using Cloudinary. And for the other option, we can also use AWS S3. For authentication, we are using Nextauth along with JWT for specific needs. And for accessing the location of the user, we are using Google Maps APIs, and all of these deployment are happened on AWS. So this is the tech stack. Now directly jump on to the demo section and let me show you how the actual product look like. This is the login page, or you can see the home page where you have to provide your email ID and password to get access of the dashboard. And this is the employee attendance system where employee will be able to give their attendance. So this is the attendance section where you have to choose whether you want to time in or time out. You can choose that, enter the employee ID, share the location, share the image, and then click on submit. We will do this thing when we have created one employee, but let me show you first the admin section. So we will enter our email ID. Yeah, so we have logged in properly. So this is the overview section. We have total employees, total attendance, employees on leave, no employees on leave. Then from the sidebar, we can see we have dashboard, attendance, add employee, view employee, employees which have exited, and is there any leave request or not. We haven't implemented any feature which are not in use. So you can see attendance record from here. You can also filter them by by name, by date, and all other things will be visible over here. You can click on add employees. So here you can basically add the employees. So let's first add the employee. So we'll say employee ID will be okay. Then you can upload the image of the employee. You can click on this. You can select any random image. Let's choose this one only. So image has been uploaded, and you can choose the gender, random employee, so that we can just test. Employee, give the date of birth, marital status, phone number, full address, joining date. So this is the exit date, but we are adding employees, so there is no exit date. Reason for exit, no. Department, we have 4 departments over here. You can choose any other department. Let's keep it this. Designation. So we have these many designations. We have these many designations. You can choose anyone. Then we have to enter the email and password which we will be sharing with the employee, so they can have the access of this dashboard. So random@gmail.com will be there. email and password will be random only. So we can choose the role, we are employee, choose the office. So if you have multiple offices, then for that one, we have this office section. Then their bank detail. So basically bank detail of the employees. For the time being, let's keep it this only. No, then here also, and all of these things. So basically, we can add more details whichever we want to access. So for the time being, we are collecting these many information of the employee. Then we can directly click on, yeah, we can just verify all of these things are provided, and we can click on submit. You can see employee added successfully. Now we have 3 employees. You can see we can sort them based on their departments. Then this is view employee section. You can check exited employee, the employees who have left the organization. So we don't have any employee. And this is the leave request section where we can see if we have any leave request or not. So this is the admin section, not too many things. Now let's check about the employee section and what features do they have to perform on this HRM platform. We are back onto the home page. Now let's log in as an employee. So before that, let's do one attendance so that we can just see how the attendance are coming. So you can say time in this, enter the employee ID, share the location. So we got the location, then entering the image. You click on this. You can capture one image. Click on capture. Click on upload. So our image is uploaded. Then we can click on submit. Then you can see random employee has logged in for today. So our attendance has been logged in. Now let's just log in. So it was random employee at the gmail.com. Then the password was this. Clicking on submit. Random employee, welcome to the dashboard. So this is the employee dashboard which we have logged in currently. So this is the employee section. We have leave table where our all the leaves will be visible. Then we have attendance section where our attendance will be shown. You can see a random employee, the day, time, and the location. All of these information are coming over here. Then from the sidebar, you can view your profile. So this is the profile. Yeah, so this is the profile section where we are getting our information that the HR has entered. Then we have this apply for leave section. So here we can apply for the leaves. So let's apply for one leave. You can say sick leave, no reason. We can enter the date. Starting date would be 16, ending date would be 18. Clicking on submit. So leave request has been sent successfully. Now we will also check whether this request is being sent to the admin or not. But for the time being, we have applied for the leave. Then we have overall leave application, whichever we have applied for. So all the leaves will be visible over here. So you can see one leave is coming. The reason leave status sick leave and status is pending. Then we have change password. So if you want to change the password, then we can do that thing also from here. Whatever your current password and enter your new password, it will be changed from here. So this is the employee section where employees can basically log in and do all the operations that they were allowed to. Now let's check again the admin section and let's see do they have got the leave request or not. So let's again log in. You see, we are back again onto the admin dashboard. So today's attendance 1, total employee 3, employees on leave 0, because we have got the leave request but we haven't applied for that. Like the admin hasn't, or the HR hasn't approved that request, but they can view the leave request from here. So you can see who has applied for the leave, employee's name, from when to when, the reason, leave type, status is pending. You can either reject it or approve it. So let's just approve it for the time being. So the status changed to approve, and it's just the same. And employee or the admin basically can see all the attendance that the people have done. So you can see this is the attendance record, and they can also filter it with the name, date. So this is the attendance section. And if I just again show you the employees section, whether their request is being approved or not. So it was num@gmail.com. Login. We are back onto the employee dashboard. Okay, we can go over here. You can see leave applications. You can see it's approved over here. Now the employee is on the leave, and you can see over here as well. The data has been also updated from here. Sick leave, you have applied for 2 days. So leave taken 2, leave left 4, total leaves given to you for the overall financial year was 6. So all of the leave data are visible over here. How many leaves you have taken are also visible over here. And how many leaves basically are left are visible, and how many leaves you have taken are visible over here. So you can see all of the data. Now, so this is the profile section. Now let's also do a checkout or timeout so that we can see both time in and time out details. So I can just log out from here, go to the attendance section, click on timeout, enter the employee ID, click on share location. Location will be captured. Then click on image capture. You can capture our image. Click on capture, upload. Then you can just click on submit, and our you can see random employee logout successful for today. And if we just try to log in again and check the permission or check the attendance, then you will see today's attendance. This is for time in and this is for time out, and it also shows a remark, not completed 9 hours. So basically, if the company's policy is to spend 9 hours, 10 hours, 12 or whatever policy is, it will also show if the employee has completed that particular time frame or not. So this is the employee details section, and same is the case with the admin section. They will also get notified that this particular employee has not completed 9 hours. And on your section, you can also filter it out. Basically, if you want to filter the detail for specific date, then you can do that thing as well. So currently it has just one, so it's showing for that particular day. If you want to do it for tomorrow, no record because there is no attendance record for tomorrow. So yeah, this is the employee section where employee can view their information. And I have also showed you the admin section, what admin can do. So I hope you have understood the overall application, what's the use case, what problem it solves, and also how it can be used by a small to mid-scale companies to manage their overall HRM application. Now that's all for today's video. I hope you have understood. Now if you have any more questions or any doubt, feel free to let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer all of your queries. And if you have any project idea or if you want to build a tech product in general, you can mail us on contact@codersarts.com, and you can also visit our website codersarts.com to view other facilities that you want to avail. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.